In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy core because recently I have gotten that question, how to buy core, how can one buy core, where from can one buy core. Now, there are many ways you can buy core. It is either you meet someone online who is a vendor, you buy from the vendor, or you buy from an exchange that has already listed core. You are welcome back to my channel. This is dobispreneur. Now, let us proceed. In this video, we're going to be making use of Gate.io. Gate.io is just like Binance. It is a crypto exchange where a lot of cryptocurrencies are listed and where trading is done every day. So, if you have not gotten the Gate.io app, you simply go to Play Store. You type Gate.io. It will come up, the icon will come up, then you download the app, then you set up your account. Then once you set up your account, you open the home page. Once you do that, this is how it's going to look. Okay, now simply we're going to quickly go to the trade option. Now this is the trade icon, so I'm going to click on it. So when I click on it, this is what is going to come out. This is what is going to appear. Then what next to do is I'll click on fiat. This is fiat. Okay, so you click on it. Fiat is just like is the normal currency that we make use of. I'm in Nigeria, so when we say fiat, our own fiat is naira. Okay, now we have some options here. At this top section, we have some options here. We have the P2P Express, we have P2P, the debit card, and bank transfers. These are different purchase gateways. Okay, that is, you can buy from P2P Express, you can buy from P2P, you can use your debit card or your credit card. Then as well, you can also use bank transfer. Now, someone will ask, what is the difference between P2P Express and P2P? Now, let me briefly explain that. Now, talking of P2P Express, P2P Express is just, it's a quicker means or a faster way of buying an asset in this platform in a very fast way. Okay, now P2P Express, the Gates.io will select randomly someone who is active, someone who is online, someone who can perform your transaction faster. Okay, then you purchase from the person whatever asset you want to purchase. Now, when we talk of P2P, P2P means you can, when you click on P2P, let's do that so that you see and understand better. When you click on P2P, you see a series of, you see a different list of different vendors. Okay, now what led us to this fiat? We cannot just buy core directly. Okay, what led us to P2P? We cannot buy core directly, okay, from our bank account. First of all, what we need to do is we are going to buy USDT. Okay, when we buy USDT, we are now going to exchange the USDT to core. Okay, so we're going to trade the USDT to get core. Okay, so P2P, when I click on P2P, you see all these are different vendors on Gate.io, those who are ready to sell USDT to those who are willing to buy. Now, I wouldn't want to stress myself going through all these vendors to know who is online, okay, for fast trade. So I'll simply go to P2P Express. Whichever one you use, it is still good. It is still okay. All right. Now we want to buy. Okay, we want to buy. Make sure that it is this buy icon is selected and not sell. Okay, and not sell. So here you are going to type the amount of USDT that you want to buy. That is, for instance, I want to buy 15,000 worth of USDT. So here I'm going to type 15,000 naira. Okay, I'm going to type 15,000 naira. Now, take note of this. Okay, before you buy, make sure you have an overview of the current dollar rate. As you can see on the screen, 1 USDT is equal to 1,190.24 naira. Okay, now having known this, we simply click proceed on buy with zero fee. This is it. So I'm going to click on it, buy with zero fee. Then I'm going to click on confirm purchase. Now, once I do this, as you can see, it says that my order has been processed, or rather logged in. Okay, what it means is that my transaction, the order I have placed, has already been acknowledged by gate.io. Okay, now simply what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on this message box. Okay, so when I tap on this message box to see my order, now it will bring me to the pending option. Now what I've ordered is still pending, okay, because the transaction has not been done. I just placed an order. So I'm going to click now on, just tap on the button, okay, just tap on this board. Now it will bring me to this section. Now here it shows the payment amount, the unit price, the quantity, the order number, and when the order was placed. Okay, now this is the person I am buying from. This is Vice World. Okay, he is a dealer acknowledged and certified by gate.io. When I say certified, this person has his USDT locked up by gate.io, of which whatever amount of money you send to him, he cannot run away with it. This is just like the gate.io is playing a role of an escrow here. Now, someone will ask me, what is an escrow? An escrow simply means an intermediary between two, in a simple term, an intermediary between two business partners. Now, I am a buyer. I want to buy. The gate.io will serve as the mediator between me and the seller, the vendor. Okay. Now, being an escrow, what it means is that once I send, gate.io will acknowledge that I have sent so amount to the vendor. Now, the vendor will acknowledge the payment. Once he confirms the payment, gate.io will now release that amount which I have paid, and he, the vendor, will now pay me in USDT. Okay, so that is how it works. So this is exactly, as you see on the screen, this is exactly the amount that I am going to send, and the quantity that I am going to get is 12 USDT. Okay, now if I am ready, I'll simply click on this option. I'm going to click on Pay Now. Okay, so when I click on Pay Now, it will take me to a page where I'm going to see the account details of this vendor, whose name is Vice World. Okay, so I'm going to simply click on Pay Now. Then, okay, as you can see it here, this is his name, this is his account number, and this is the bank he uses, OP. And this is the exact amount that I'm going to transfer to him. Okay, now what I'll do now is I will simply go to my mobile banking app. Then I'll perform this transaction. Then I must make sure that I pay exactly this amount that is here. Okay, so I'm going to do that right away. I'm going to dive into my my OP account. Then I'll send this amount on the screen to this vendor. Okay, so let's quickly do that. Now I have done the transfer. I have transferred exactly 15,009 naira.49 to this vendor. Okay, so what I'll simply do now is I'm going to click on this button, I have paid. Okay, I'm going to click on that button, I have paid. Then I'll click on confirm. Okay, now this is the receipt of my payment. Okay, this is the receipt of my payment. Please take note of this. Once you send the money, you feel free to download the receipt of your transaction in case you want to lodge an appeal. Maybe if the vendor didn't release it on time, you can send the transaction receipt with some comment. Okay, but you have to wait. You have to give him some time to enable him perform the transaction. Now, immediately he receives this money, he's going to send me 12.6 USDT, as you can see it here. Okay, so this is exactly what I'm going to receive. Okay, that's the USDT I'm going to receive. So I'm going to wait for him to make this transaction, then credit my. Now, as you can see, the transaction has been completed. So I have been credited with 12.6 USDT. Okay, now I'll simply go back, or I'll just click on spot trading. Okay, I'll just click on spot trading. Hold on. Okay, I'm going to click on spot trading so that it will take me back to my spot trading interface. Okay, guys, now if I want to check to know whether I've received this USDT, I'm simply going to click on wallet. Okay, now this is the option for wallet. Sorry, this is wallet. So I'm going to click on wallet. Then it brought me to this page. So I'm going to click on spot. This is spot. Then I'm going to scroll. Now this is the USDT that has just been credited to my account, 12.6 USDT. So I'm going to trade this USDT now. I'm going to exchange this USDT to buy core. And in doing that, what do? I'll simply I'll click on trade. This is the trade option. So I'll click on trade. Then I will select USDT by clicking on this button. So I'll tap on it. Then on this search bar, I am going to type core, because what I want to buy is core. I want to exchange the USDT that I just bought to core. So I'll click on the first one, core against or core slash USDT. Okay, now in this section, I'm going to drag this blue icon, or rather this blue ball. I'm going to drag it down to this section. Okay, what it means is that I want to use the 100% of the value of USDT that I have to get core. Now, if I want to buy, let's say, since I have 12.6 USDT, if I want to buy, let's say, $10 worth of USDT, what I'm simply going to do is I'll come to this space. This is where I'm going to impute the number of USDT USDT worth of core that I'm going to buy. Now here, if I want to impute the amount of core that I want to buy, let's say I want to buy 1,000 pieces of core or 500 pieces of core, I'll simply come here and write 1,000. Okay, so if it is, let's say, $50 worth of USDT or $10 worth of USDT, I can come here and write 50 or 10. Now let's say here, let me click on this ball, this blue ball. Then I'm going to click it and drag it to the extreme. Okay, so what it means now is that I'm going to use the whole of this 12.6 USDT to buy core, and the total number of core that it's going to give me is 32.258 core. So what I'll simply do now is I'll click on buy core. Now if you are doing this trading, make sure that this option remains on limit. Okay, make sure it remains on limit. Then I'm going to click on buy core now. I'll click on it. Then I'm going to confirm. I'll click on the confirm button. Then here I'm going to impute my fund password. Okay, if you've not created one, you do so. You create your password and make sure you write it down so that you do not forget when next you are to perform any transaction. Okay, write it down to avoid forgetting the password. So right now I'm going to impute my password. Then once I do that, I'm going to click on OK. So this is my password. I've imputed my password, so I'm going to click on OK. Yes, as you can see, my order have been placed. Okay, this is my order. It has been placed. So I'm going to wait for some minutes or some seconds for the order to be successful. So I'm going to wait for some minutes. Now, while we wait for this, let me go back to my wallet. Okay, I'll click on wallet. As you can see here, I have 1,777 pieces of core. So once my transaction is successful, once it has completed, then it will add up to these 1,777 pieces of core that I have. So let us wait for the transaction to complete. So as you can see here on the screen, it has disappeared. Okay, the order I placed has disappeared. That means the transaction has been successful. So I'll simply click on wallet, okay, so that I will see. Then I will scroll. Now as you can see, initially I have 1,777, but here it has increased to 1,809, okay, to show that the transaction is successful. So guys, this is how to buy core. It is very simple, okay. Like I said, if you do not have Gates.io app, if you do not have this crypto exchange app, you go to the Play Store, you download it. I'm going to make it easier by dropping the link in the description so that you sign up. So if you wish to buy core or any other cryptocurrency, you just follow this procedure. Okay, you follow this procedure in buying. Okay guys, so this will be the end of our video for today. Sorry for that underground noise. If this is your first time of visiting my YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so that each time I upload videos on my channel, you get notified. Now, if you've not signed up for OEX Mining, you can check the description. I will drop the link therein so that you click, you register, and you start mining. There are also other cryptocurrencies mining projects, which I'm going to drop their links in the description. If you wish to join, then you use the links to register. I will also drop my WhatsApp link in the description so that if you wish to join my WhatsApp group, you click on the link and join my WhatsApp group where I drop daily updates relating crypto and core, okay, and how to make money online. I hope to see you in my next video.